unboxing for you all. Today I have a Mate 20 Pro. It's an Australian model and it's in a twilight color, which I have been trying to get my hands on since a while. So the twilight color was launched when Mate 20 Pro was launched, but we didn't get an Australian version for that. So now I got this off the JB Hi-Fi and it was on sale. So let's go ahead and unbox the phone. So there you go guys, the twilight color looks awesome on this phone. And just rip up this plastic. So there you go guys, the twilight color of Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So inside the box you get, as usual, the SIM ejector tool, the plastic covers, some paperworks, a fast 45-watt charger, a data cable and a headphone. So I'll be doing a comparison video of Mate 20 Pro with my Mate 20X that I am using at the moment, and just stay tuned for that video too. And thanks for watching guys. See you next time.